There you go, Stanton here from Algotrading. Today we are going to be talking about what an expert advisor essentially is. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so what you're looking at now on my computer is my MetaTrader terminal. Now, every broker that supports MT5 has their own version of the terminal. So if you're with IC Markets, with you or Bybit, you would go to wherever they keep their downloads, you download their MT5 version of the terminal, and you install MT5. Then, as with most brokers, you'll probably get a login ID and a password, and you'll log into MT5. Okay, so that is MT5. MT5 is essentially your trading terminal. It's a pure trading terminal. You could trade, you could put on charts, you could use indicators, and you could actually trade manually with it. But the main reason why I use MT5 is for the expert advisors. Okay, so that is your trading terminal. That is your MT5 terminal. Now we've got another acronym or terminology. It's called MQL5. Now MQL5 is essentially the programming language that you use to create expert advisors. So if I open my MetaQuote language editor, you just press F4 in your terminal or just go to view, you can see here this is the code I use to create MT5 expert advisors. And you know, each one can be traded differently, created differently. You could use whatever trading strategy you want, but essentially you will write that trading strategy in the MetaQuote query language, or MQL5. Okay, now once you've got your trading strategy, you will then create an expert advisor. Now, an expert advisor is an automated trading robot that executes trades on your behalf using the strategy that you've selected, configured with the inputs that you have selected. So every expert advisor that whether you buy it or have one made, it's going to have these things called inputs. Now, inputs is essentially tells the expert advisor how to configure, let's say, your moving averages, your stop losses, what values you're going to use for the expert advisor to be able to trade on your behalf. So every expert advisor will have inputs, and those inputs control how that expert advisor works. Now, we've discussed that an expert advisor or automated trading robot. Okay, so now how do you get an expert advisor? Well, there's a couple of ways. The first way is through the MetaTrader platform itself. So you click onto Market, you click onto just the market load, you click on Experts, and here you have thousands of expert advisors that you have access to, ranging anything from $10,000 to, for free. But the way you get it from the MetaTrader terminal itself, or let's just go into my ones. So if we search Stanton, you will find all the expert advisors that I've created. Some are free, and some are you buy. Okay, so how would you get an expert advisor from here? You would just click on, let's take one of my free ones. I'll take the Larry Connors, the free one. You could just say download. So what you can do from here is that you could download either, well, let's go to something else here. Already installed that one. Let's just go. So if you want to buy Expert Advisor, let's first go into that thing. You have an option. Yes, I've installed Larry Connors. Okay, so you could see there, I just click download and it appears under my market tab. Now I could use this Expert Advisor. Now, if you want to buy one, for instance, one of mine, you say buy, and then you've got various payment options. And once you've made payment, it will appear under your market tab. The benefit of buying it through the MetaTrader 5 terminal is that if we do make any updates or anything like that, those updates you'll be notified of those updates, and you'll be able to update the EA directly from within the terminal. You don't have to go to downloads, anything like that. So that is how you obtain expert advisors from the market with inside your MetaTrader terminal. Another way of getting expert advisors is through third party, through, like, for instance, my website. So if you go to my website, the links are down below. You can see here I've got a shop tab. We are actually currently having a special, a Black Friday bundle. So for just $69, you could get every single one of my EAs with full source code. So that's for $69, every single EA with full source code. The link is also down below. But what you could do is you could buy it through my website, pay with PayPal or crypto, whatever payment method, and then you'll be given a download link where you could download the actual source files for the Expert Advisor, and then you would need to copy it into your trading platform. I have done videos on that, but that's another way of getting an Expert Advisor. So in summary, an expert advisor is a trading robot. So there are other trading robots. You get PineScript robots, you get MATLAB, you get, there's hundreds of others. Python you could do it in. But I use MT5 because I prefer the backtesting in MT5, and I prefer the ability to optimize in MT5, which I have not found, the ones that I have used haven't had the same sort of backtesting functionality. All right, so I hope that helps you understand the difference between all the terminology. If you do still have questions, join our Telegram group. We are very open. You can ask any question there. Don't feel shy. We are there to help you. We want you to get you started on this journey. We want you to automate your tradings. We found that automated trading is by far more profitable than manual trading due to you take out all of the emotions out of trading and you just let your algos do the work for you. So like, subscribe, check the links below, and we'll hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.